is my favorite. Cheers, tasting time. So let me try again. Good evening, and welcome back mga kabunso sa aking YouTube channel. So mga kabunso, good evening. My name is Edwin, and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make Blue Hawaiian. Yes, Blue Hawaiian. So for the Blue Hawaiian, we need this rum, white rum, Bacardi. We're using this Bacardi, and Blue Curacao, and fresh pineapple juice, fresh, and of course coconut cream. Because this for this cocktail, you need the coconut cream, and you need also this shaker, and you need also jigger, and of course don't forget your glass. This is very important. So mga kabunso, I will use this tumbler for this Blue Hawaiian. So for the garnish, of course, you need garnish because of pineapple. The mixture is pineapple, so you need the pineapple garnish also. So mga kabunso, what I gonna do? So let's start. So you need the glass and ice, of course, full of ice. So put that side first. So now that's the first step for your Blue Hawaiian. So you need 2 shots of Bacardi white rum. 1 shot. 2 shots of Bacardi means 60 ml of Bacardi, because 1 shot is 30 ml. So we use 2 shots, so 60 ml of rum. And Blue Curacao. Blue Curacao is 1 shot of Blue Curacao. 1 shot. Oops, my pourer is leaking, so just wait. You see, sometimes our pourer is there is a leak. So, but don't forget to clean your mess. So, finish now this Bacardi 60 ml. Blue Curacao is 30 ml. For the pineapple juice is 90 ml, 90. So 3 shots. Pineapple juice, 1 shot. 2 shots of pineapple juice, and 3 shots of pineapple juice. So means 3 shots of pineapple juice is 90 cl, mga kabunso. And of course, coconut milk. 1 shot is 30 ml of coconut milk. Coconut milk fresh. That's it. And then, mga kabunso, of course, ice. And my favorite shake. Yes, done. And always remember through this water from here, because you know the ice is always melting. So if this melting, so in your glass become water flow. You know, this cup ng water. So here we go. And so now, see the color of your blue Hawaiian is nice. Nice color. And of course your garnish. Don't forget your garnish. Always, if you're preparing your drinks or cocktails or any drinks, just put some garnish for the looking nice. So mga kabunso, your blue Hawaiian is ready. Your blue Hawaiian is ready mga kabunso. So you can have it now. So mga kabunso, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share all my videos and vlogs to your friends. So that is all. So mga kabunso, this is my favorite. Cheers, tasting time. So let me try again. You know mga kabunso, this is better than Hawaii. In my previous vlogs, there is I make it blue Hawaii. So blue Hawaii is different without milk. Blue Hawaii is with vodka. So now this blue Hawaiian is with milk. So this is better, refreshing. So mga kabunso, your blue Hawaiian is ready. Cheers! Thank you very much.